Welcome to Extent Infosoft. Ever find it difficult to search the PNG images for any of your work? It is sometimes difficult to find those transparent background images online, and then you have to settle for JPEG images. And it does look like a little odd, isn't it? So let me show you how to transparent background of an image in Photoshop. So if you're ready, then let's hop in. So first of all, open Photoshop. Any version of Photoshop will do. Then go to File, Open, and select an image which you want that its background should be transparent. And then go to Select Options. Select a background eraser tool from here. And after selecting it, just go to Options and you can choose your size. And then just you have to click on the portions which you want them to get the transparent background. In this way you can get your image background transparent. Slowly and steadily, as we do not want to get transparent of an image also, so slowly and steadily we have to do it. Accordingly we have to choose the size of an brush or an eraser so that there should be no problems with our image. And after once you finish with these things, once you have completely erased your background, just go to File and then Save As option and save it as in the format PNG. You can select it from the type of file. You can save it in the PNG format, and it is compulsory. Remember to save in the PNG format, then only it will give the transparent background image. And click OK, and your image is saved. And once it gets completed, yes, it's done. So we'll go to our image and we'll see the image of transparent background. As we can see, the image is transparent. Just we have to confirm this that it is properly transparent. We will go to PowerPoint presentation. We'll open a presentation. We'll just format our background so that we can get to know which color is this. So we'll just get a color, yellow color, and then we'll just paste our image over here. See, the background is clear. In this way you can erase the background of your image and you can crop it properly, the portions which you want. If you think that if it is not properly, some backgrounds are missing here and there, then you can just crop your image. In this way you can erase your background and make it transparent. See, it's easy. Just you don't have to stick the background. In this way you can do it. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, like, share and subscribe, and watch out for the next video. Thank you.